Good.
Wow.
Yes. Wow. What's going on, Crackamaniacs? Dr. Tirado here, and I am here with Yanini. He is the famous Instagrammer from Guayaquil, Ecuador, and he came all the way out here for a chiropractic adjustment, and also he's coming to go see the city. And he also brought his wife, Susie. You guys know Susie, right? Susie, you want to say hi? Like peek in real quick?
Hi.
There we go.
People.
Right? You know, like she's famous also. She's famous also. So we're gonna get Yanini adjusted right now. You guys get to watch. Here we go. All right. And he's a little nervous, so
Yeah,
just bear
first time.
with. Yeah, first time ever going to a chiropractor. So all right. So we're gonna loosen up the muscles a little bit. So let me have your arm for a second. Just come across here. So I'm gonna stretch out this shoulder a little bit. All right. And this is too strong. You just tell me, okay? All right. Now he's been walking in New York City for the past couple days, so his back is probably hurting.
Yeah.
Hurting a little bit? Yeah.
My lower back.
Yes.
This
There
is
we go.
nice.
There we go. All
It
right.
feels
Good.
nice.
So loosen up all these muscles. All right. We call this the Ecuadorian massage. All right. All right. Good.
Yeah, around there it's sort of
A little tight.
yeah there.
Right in there.
Oh.
Okay. And again, I can't thank these people from Akron for sending us this massager because it's fantastic. I just love it. And all the patients love it also. But they're not sponsoring this video. No. All right, relax your arm. All right, it's just going to lean this way. Good. It would be great if they sponsored the video. Right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
They sponsored
they should.
They sponsored one of our videos before. Right, Jules?
Huh?
Yeah. Okay. Too strong?
No, I mean it feels nice.
Yeah.
But
Okay, look down, look down. I'm gonna stretch like this now.
oh.
Ooh, ooh. Let's listen to all the sound effects. Ooh. You know, Susie was kind of loud. Okay. Ooh.
Yeah, really nice.
Good. Look straight, nice and easy. All right, I'm gonna do the other side. I'm gonna do the other arm. Come across like this. Just come across. I'm gonna stretch in here. Okay, we'll go right in here. Good. That all right?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna come right in here. Okay, just breathe easy. All right. Good.
I feel it there.
You feel that in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, tight.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, relax your arm. I'm gonna come right here, stretch a little bit here.
That's much better.
Yeah, okay, good. Right here.
It feels like a cat is purring.
The cat is purring. Okay. Okay, look down. I'm gonna come right here. Okay, look straight, nice and easy, and just relax easily. Good. Good. That wasn't too bad.
Yeah, it's
All right.
felt a little.
Yeah. You a little
Right.
dizzy?
Yeah.
Want some water?
No.
Okay, cool.
Good.
So you're gonna feel this.
All right.
Right, just turn this way. Good, good. Just gonna like this. There we go. There we go. Good. Look straight. Hey, how is that? Okay? No
Yes.
problem?
Yeah, no
Good.
problem.
Good. Come this way. Oh, that's tight. That's tight. Good. Look straight. Nice and easy. Good. Now take your arms now. Your arms. Bring your arm back here. Just this one.
All right.
It's gonna come back here. Look straight. Look straight. Just gonna open up the shoulder.
That's
Good. Okay, we're gonna do the other side. He's like this. He's like rocking out. Yeah. All right. Look straight ahead. Look straight ahead. Here.
Wag ahead.
I don't know.
Or you know,
It helps me like prepare for the.
One bites the dust.
No, don't bite the dust. Yeah. That's what it is. All right. All right. So now we're gonna feel a little tap tap.
All right.
All right. Cool.
Cool.
All right. Turn this way. All right. Have you ever seen those thumbnails?
Yes.
Yeah, my God. I don't know why they pull so well. They're crazy.
Yes.
Only another Instagrammer understands that. You know what I mean? Otherwise, people think you're crazy.
No, that's what. That's
straight.
catchy. That's very catchy.
Yeah, I don't know why. But if you look at the thumbnails of Mr. Beast,
Oh, yeah. We went
everyone-
to have his burger.
Mhm.
Dreamland. Yeah, it was good.
Beast burgers.
Beast burgers? Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Turn here, hold there, hold there. Good, good, good.
A psychologist just said like yesterday in a post. It was very
That's right.
interesting about the I don't know how to say in English, but
No Spanish.
el histrionismo, when you make these like very dramatic faces like
Mhm.
muecas.
Mm-hmm.
That's properly of the child. Like we have these three people inside, like the judge or father, the adult, and the child. And when you like call out the child,
Mm-hmm.
making for example those muecas, that's like a way you also can call other people's attention, because that's and that was just thinking like, why are we maybe because of that. I'm not psychologist or anything, but
That's interesting.
that was that's so interesting. So she made this funny face with her little girl, like it's funny because she's a 50 years old woman, but she's so adorable. Like she talks to you like if she was 20 or something. Like she's so she's very cool.
Good.
And she was with her youngest daughter making these funny faces.
Is one like this?
And she was saying that like when
Cool.
we grow up, we pretend to be serious,
Yeah, no, no,
so
no.
the adult takes like the whole place, and we mostly forget about the child. And we are or an adult, or we're the father or the judge, so we forget about the kid, child.
Huh? You
And
do?
we have, it was funny
That's
because
it.
she said, let's us like try making these funny faces, even if we're adults or we're grown. Like don't forget about these funny faces, because that's also where you can like connect with yourself and other people.
I agree.
Maybe that's why we like this adult making funny face, and I want to see this.
Maybe. Maybe that's the secret.
Feels
Yeah,
strange.
There we go. Hold on. And relax your arm. Just gonna move a little movement. Relax your arm. Good. Good. And here. Just let it drop. Easy. Good. Mm-hmm.
I have a
Tell me.
slight fissure here.
Do you?
Yeah.
When did you get this?
3 months.
3 months ago.
Yeah, I'm still doing like these little exercises, like
Okay.
to get the full range of mobility
Sure.
back.
And relax the
That's
shoulders.
why he's like using wrong the marriage finger
Yeah.
thing.
Oh, is that why?
Yeah, this one like ballooned up, right?
Okay.
So until I get the full range of motion back, I'm using the ring.
That's smart. That's
Yeah.
smart. Okay. So bring this leg over here. Move up more. Move up more. Cool. Cross your arm here. Cross. And then this comes over here, Johnny. Good. We're going to turn this way. Let's see where we are. How tight we are. Then breathe in really deep. And all the way out. Breathe out. Turn left. Good. Good. That's okay. That's okay. Cool. Put this on top. This goes on the bottom. Turn a little bit. Hold on 1 second. Here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Turn right.
Wow!
Wow. And relax
I
a
felt
second.
that.
Yep. And relax a second. Okay. We're going to do one more. One more.
All right.
I'll show you. So this time we cross the arms again, like this. Cross the arms. Head goes down. So this time, Johnny, I'm going to lean you back. We're going to go back and keep your head like this, okay?
Okay.
All right. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe out. Relax the shoulders. Keep your head. No, head up.
Oh, sorry.
There we go. Good. There we go. There we go. Okay. That's it. Okay. Come and lay face down. Boca abajo.
down.
Face down. All right. Cool. And relax a little bit.
Here.
Just like that. Just like that.
Alright.
With your hands on the side. Relax your shoulders. Good. Nice. Good. Just gonna relax the shoulders again. Good. Okay, I'm gonna just check the legs. Okay, I'm gonna do a little massage in your lower back, okay? All right, it might tickle. So I'll just give you, I tell you before. Yeah. Too much?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Good, good, good. Not too strong, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna come right in here. And your sister?
Oh, she's trying to get to a better place in today's concert. So she's with other friends making this long road.
Okay.
Yes, we're going
Okay.
like later. We're going to the concert later.
Oh, cool, okay.
Yeah.
So the concert is actually like at 6 p.m.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That's what people do.
Yeah.
Yes. Actually, the funny part is she already saw him. Like, she loves Louis Tomlinson, Harry Styles, and she already saw him like a lot of times.
Oh, it's Harry Styles?
No,
Just-
we already saw like Harry Styles, and she
Okay.
also saw Harry Styles, but she already saw Louis Tomlinson. She already camped like 1 or 2 days for like watching him in New York,
Sure.
and she almost does it again.
Again?
But we didn't let her. Look, no.
Yeah.
But today she was like, today is Louis Tomlinson's day, so today I'm gonna do like what I want. Okay.
That's cool.
Fine.
That's
It's
cool.
today, but not like 3 days.
Right.
1 day
One
is
day.
perfect.
1 day.
And also good for us because Janine and I wanted like to spend a couple times. So it was like, okay, go. It's perfect. Go.
All right, just relax. Just gonna check here. Good. So I'm just gonna just stretch your lower back a little bit. Let it drop down. Let it drop down, Johnny. Just like that. Just gonna stretch a little bit. Try to let your hips just relax a little bit, okay?
Alright.
Good. Just like that. Good. I'm gonna go to the other side now, nice and easy, okay? Stretch out the other side. Just let it drop down, nice and easy. You okay?
Yeah.
Good. Just like that. Good. Come right back here. Let's let this drop down. I'm gonna do some tapping on your hip joints because they're very tight, very stiff inside here. Like that. It's not gonna hurt. Just raise this leg a little bit, up a little bit, up,
Oh.
and back down, back down. Good. And now just relax it. Just relax. So I'm just gonna tap a little bit, Good. A little more. Good. That's fine. Then I'm gonna go here in the pelvis. That's all. Lift again, up. Much better. Come right back down. Good. You do the same thing here. So just lift a little bit and back down. Good. Just gonna do a little tap in here. Good. You're gonna come right at the pelvis. Raise this again, please. Up. Stretch. Very good. And now relax. Let it drop down. Very good. Very good. Okay. I want you to lay down on your side, face the doorway, please. All right? And then rest your head right here. Right there. Okay.
Like this?
Yeah, I'm going to turn you a little bit, just like this. Hands there. Slide down a little bit. Cool. I'm going to bend this leg, just this one.
Alright.
Just like that. Okay? And so relax. You're going to feel like you're going to fall. You won't fall. You won't fall. Just going to come here. I want to stretch the lower back. That's tight, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's tight. So I'm going to put a little more of a stretch. You won't fall.
Okay.
I got you here. Breathe in for me real deep. Breathe in and out. Good. 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 Nice. There we go. Yeah. Come on this side. Good. Good. Yeah, your lower back was tight. That
Yes.
was tight. There you go.
All the walking.
Yeah, a little walking. All right. From here. Just bend this. Okay? And now relax. Now relax. Good. Come here. Good. You won't fall, I promise. I'm just going to come like that. Go a little bit more. Can you come right here? Yeah. That's it. That's tight. Breathe in again. All the way in. Let it go. A little bit more. Thank you. Good. Come on your back. Look up. Face up. All right. Hands here. Good. Good. Nice. Bend the knees. This one and this one. Then. Good. And squeeze. Hard. Squeeze. 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 Yeah. Aquí. Together. Juntos. Together.
All right.
There we go. Yep. 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 Yep.
That was unexpected.
Yep. That's right.
Yes.
Yep. That's it. That's it. Relax. Yeah, that was good. That was good. That was the pelvis, right?
Yes.
That was the pelvis. Good. And relax here. Good. Just gonna come up a little bit. Stretch. No, just this side. This side. Just stretch a little bit. Just a little stretch. Yeah, it's tight.
Yeah. I'm not that flexible.
No, huh? In this direction. No.
Yeah, in this direction, definitely.
No. We're gonna get Susie to start doing yoga in her Instagram videos.
Yeah.
Good, and just relax a bit. I'm gonna try to adjust. I'm gonna adjust your ankle here, and the toes. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Good. Just gonna put a little movement here. Okay, and relax. Good. Same thing here. Just relax. Make a circle. A circle. Stretch here. Just stretch. Let it go down. It's getting a little hot in here now. All right. Stretch up here. Good. Good stretch. Okay. Come back down and relax the foot. Okay. We'll try to adjust the ankle and relax. Good. Good. You got it. That was easy. Very good. Almost done. Almost done. All right. So far, so good?
Yes.
Yeah? Good. Okay. So in Ecuador, very humid or very dry? No humedad.
I would say
Humid
humid.
and dry and hot, very hot.
Yeah.
Humid and hot?
Yeah, very hot.
Uh-huh.
It's like right now the weather, tal cual.
Like here?
Feels like, yes.
Oh, yeah?
It feels like.
Always like this?
Yes.
Oh, my goodness.
Here.
The whole year?
Yeah, we have like no change of
Yeah, I mean that.
seasons.
There's 3 or 4 months where we get rain.
That's it?
That's it.
Oh, my goodness. Okay.
Yeah. But right now, because of Fenómeno del Niño, we are having like a lot of storms and
Right.
rains.
Yeah. Or,
Oh, yeah?
a rainy season usually runs to
Until
April
April.
or
And then
at
comes
most
back.
May.
It
wow.
comes back like
Okay.
December.
That's cool.
But now it's like very crazy. Suddenly it starts raining from nothing, and then it could rain like for half of a day. And
Wow.
it's a problem because people who works in the countryside, who grow their crops and stuff, they are losing a lot.
Yeah, they must.
And then the price of everything increases.
Yeah.
When you go to buy your onions or your bananas, they are very expensive.
Okay, so what I want you to do now is close your eyes and I want you to focus on your breath and breathing. All right? I don't want you to hold
I think I know what's coming next.
Oh my goodness.
All
All right. Take it easy. Take it easy. Get a yoga mantra or something, you know? All right. Good. And we'll go real easy. We can do slow or fast. You tell me.
Which do
I can
do
tell you,
recommend?
we can go very slow, very fast. I can tell you everything, or it could be one big surprise.
Let's do surprise.
Oh my goodness, I don't like surprises. Okay. All right, so we're going to do right inside there, and then right there. That's where we're going to adjust. So all I want you to do is focus Eyes closed. Focus on your breathing, nice and easy. I'm going to do a little turn here. Good. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stretch in here a little bit more. Good. Okay.
That wasn't that bad. It felt okay. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. I was expecting like something
Big?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
It felt good. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That was the slow one, right?
No, that was the fast one.
Oh.
That was the fast one.
I'm fine with
Yeah.
fast then.
Yes, that was the fast one.
Yeah.
Susie's was the slow one.
Oh.
Good. 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 Just relax easy. Good. I'll do one more right inside there. Good. Just breathe easy. Gonna turn, eyes closed. Gonna stretch all the way to the end. A little bit more, right inside there. Right there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Take a minute. Take a minute. Breathe nice and easy. All right. How'd that feel?
Very good. Yeah.
Good, good, good.
Yeah. I mean, it looks worse than it is.
Mhm.
It's definitely like relaxing.
Good.
Like once you get it done.
Mm-hmm. So breathe in really deep, really deep. And all the way out, let it go. Good. Mm-hmm. There we go. All right, I'm going to help you sit up. Uno, dos, tres. There we go. Right here. Put your legs on that side. Just going to check you here for 1 second. Hold on here. Nice. Turn left. Good. Turn right. Pretty good. All right. All set. Walk around a little bit. See how you feel.
Nice.
All right. You look taller.
Yeah, I know, right? I'm almost at your
Yeah.
height.
Maybe a little bit. Pretty good.
How you feel?
Nice. So you got to tell those Instagrammers
Oh yeah.
that you're still alive.
Oh yeah.
Still alive?
Still alive.
Right.
Still kicking.
How's that feel?
Feeling perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Awesome.
Nice. Thanks.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Ese es un hombre feliz.
All right.
Sí, la